Their life a crutch them, man.
Good day. In drunk.
Their life a crutch them.
Drunk that. Yeah, be careful, daddy. Yeah, careful. I'm not careful.
Life a crutch them, man.
What am I doing?
Oh, God. Just up my lag up on Spanish Town Road out the river and stuff. Eh? A joke thing. Man, wrong guy over there.
She drive out on him.
Happy your fault? All the man face bust up. Glad. Just up the while ago, people. Spanish Town Road.
St. Mary update.
Wheel fly off.
Oh yeah, so we can get it, man.
When we see something, I want to wish you.
Got the attention for me? For what, mama? Jesus Christ. Brown man car done, you know? Brown man car done, bro. This done. And look how what they are working on one car.
You know what that means they must come out, they must jump. Oh, then come out, God. You must not in this song. You know nobody down here. Like this song.
I can't go to the front that door, man.
Come on, you wanna do it, man.
See, they be choose one that go put. Can't get it, never.
Nothing but.
Two of them are from France.
Can you put the roll back over again? Now post on the wall, brother.
No, boss, on the wall. One there. Yeah, how would you have that up here?
It can't
I'm not really when no start it still. I was a little short clippings we get. So what I really have to say about that video, yeah. The youth have say, yo, the police hold on pan him and you don't know the youth look like him girt him up back is when me I say, and the rest of police them they are try ease off the youth, half of the police. So the police I tell him to, yo, me no hold on pan here, you know. See it there, so me two on them there. So the youth, like the youth, nah let him go. Cause probably the way the youth upset, you understand them, I say, so see the police youth there. You see me? And the police them a try take off the youth and half of him cause the youth drape him up. You see what me I say? But what me like how the police them now discharge them firearm. Them just a deal with it accordingly to all the war go on and now. You see what me I say? As you can see that youth here with the strap behind him. You see it? Him and the youth look like them catch up. And most of them police are be a young youth them and push out in our force. Everybody want to turn soldier and police now. As them old school, I hinder them in a military are they, or the force, them parents want to push them. So sometimes them young youth are now come on road a deal with another young youth or a deal with a elder. So right as so I tell the youth say yo, him no hold on upon him and see youth still hold on upon him there. You understand what me I say? So me no know what him do the youth, make the youth drape him up and now and let him go. And as you can see the police them they talk to the youth and I try to take the youth and off of him. You understand me? I say, I look how much of them. 1, 2, 3, I think of 4 police. I deal with one man. So at least me I try show the police them too. So sometimes we have for us know how to deal with people. You see what I say? And most of them young youth are going in force. If I want to take on police work, you know, if you know, everything come with it, you know, it's a life and death work, you know. And how to deal with people are going to deal with, you know. Because I think I deal with a youth or some type of way or fuck go on. Make us see fuck go on now. Where the youth drape upon him, drape about the youth. You see what I say? But the police, you can see the police youth kind of talk out and I say, yo, you know, him not really a hold on upon him, or him a hold on upon him. So the youth they hold on upon him and I draw him. See it there. They can see a big woman there, they see him way. So sometimes police officer won't just deal with the people in my car then, man. Somebody I talk to, you know, and I go and like say, yo, them a push badness. So you just come see and go nice with them, man. You see what I say? Because sometimes some people so not do some things, you know. And at the end of the day, at the reaction, how you attack them, how you deal with them. It sometimes sparks. Sorry. It sometimes sparks a reaction. And that's what I say. And them bag of young youth in the police world too. They need for us calm see. You can't come in a force and use ignorance. You come for serve and protect. Is what I say. So you just do the right thing, man. You see it? Because we rate police. As I say, you have good police and bad police. I have some people just not like police overall. You could have day no clothes. You could have no day no clothes. When people hear police, people not like when people want to take quick, because people know what you know about. You want to come search up people, dig up people, question people, and who for go jail or who for go process.